This is another episode of the Vacation Rental Rescue Show, and we are going to take you to the gateway of the Caribbean. Let's go.
I'm Jay William, and I help hosts around the world succeed.
We're going to show you a under the radar secret spot in Florida that I believe that once you find out about this place, you are going to want to visit it yourself and probably will never want to leave. And that's exactly what happened with our client. Our client, Kimberly, came down to Florida and visited this place called Singer Island, fell in love with it, and bought a piece of premium property. So what's the problem? She needs to tell the rest of the world about it. Now, most of the bookings that she's getting are coming from the third-party listing sites that charge commissions and fees. When you rely on the listing sites alone, it's putting your business at risk, and ROI is not as high as it could be. Because we're starting out, the client doesn't have a lot of online exposure, so we want to ramp that up. We want to get more bookings. We need to create and identify the brand. We're also going to help the client with getting the right tools and resources that she will need to manage and promote the vacation rental business. We think that you're going to learn a lot throughout this process. So let's go have some fun and go to Singer Island. Well, I have arrived. We finally made it. Right off the bat, I'm feeling like I'm welcomed here. Look at those colors, the bright blue. It's gonna kind of go into our branding. We're gonna go into that, and look at the lush greenery behind us. It looks very well kept. I think the client is really doing a great job with their first impression, and that's really important.
Travelers form an impression about an accommodation in the first 7 seconds of arrival.
You want that first impression for that guest when they pull in to be something that's very welcoming and inviting, and I think the owner here is nailing that. Let's go take a look around. Let's go. I am literally in paradise. What do you guys got going on here?
Decorating the palm trees.
Wait a second. Did he just say decorating the palm trees?
Hanging out some orchids. It looks pretty.
Once they attach to the tree, they start attaching, like, you can see those right there.
Oh, wow. Okay, so they become part of the tree.
Exactly.
And reviews become a part of your brand. Create great first impressions for stellar reviews.
I just saw some landscapers planting some trees. I saw the housekeepers in and out of the units.
Studies have shown the biggest complaint from guests is cleanliness. The second is maintenance.
So right off the bat, I feel like it's very well kept and it looks like a professional operation. When that guest comes in, they're tired from their trip, this is what they want to experience. Well, let's go inside and see what the place looks like. I'm going to enter my electronic code. Oh, let me try again.
Guests often complain about check-in issues. Make check-in as easy as possible. We're going to use management software to streamline the process.
One of the first things that has to be done to get this property ready for the market is professional videos and photos.
Let's see what that looks like.
Wow.
Properties with professional photos receive 40% more bookings than those without them.
They can also increase the perceived value by up to 50%. Your first impression is the first impression of your brand, and branding affects the value of your offer in the market. Build your brand's value by improving every touch point people have with your brand. Your logo, your website, their first impression. Your brand is not what you think it is. It's what your customers think it is.
Make sure to like and subscribe so you can see what we do next. If you need help or would like to be featured on the Vacation Rental Rescue Show, get in touch with us at villamarketers.com.